Hi everybody, we're here in front of A-6 in Carteret Mobile Park. This house just arrived like 20 minutes ago, and I'm gonna give you a super sneak peek into this house. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home. Take a look at this magnificent kitchen. Oh wow, this house we picked is fabulous New York subway style backsplash, and this really pretty marble looking counter. You like that? And the white appliance package to go with the gray timberwolf cabinets. That's a whirlpool microwave, and the stove oven, and the dishwasher, and the refrigerator. In this house we designed it with a pantry on either side of the kitchen to frame it out. So you got one on that side and one on this side. So like I said, this house just arrived. You're going to be seeing everything the way the house arrives. I'm actually a little dizzy because it's off balance. They'll be block and leveling it this week. And there is that magnificent living room. And these thermopane windows. Oh, I like their little new valances that they, we don't pick those. They come with the manufacturer when they design the house. They put in whatever goes with it's like a decorator package, I kind of think. I've seen it on the board when we pick out. So I think that they picked that because of the countertop that we picked. There's a stainless steel sink. I think I'm always saying aluminum. I say mix-ups sometimes. So here's a beautiful back door. I have it open for the air, but you hear the highway on the other side. When I close it, you won't hear it thing. It's nice and quiet. This is a home. This is not a mobile home. This is a manufactured home. So it's super quiet, insulated. There's our laundry area. This is the bathroom. And oh, there's that pretty counter again. We have a framed out mirror and then a cosmetic medicine box there. And this is the one-piece fiberglass unit. Easy step in, easy cleaning, great little window. Okay, let's go look at the master bedroom. This is the bypass storage for the closet, and you've got your hot water heater in that area. Plenty of space in here. Goes all the way back. Lots of room. And oh, lots of privacy back here. Very nice. Great floor. Loving that. So this was an upgrade package. We did the full flooring across the whole house. Normally the manufacturer makes it with carpeting, so there's a little carpet that normally is in there, but we found most of our homeowners want allergy-free homes, so we do the flooring. So here's all the pieces. It comes with the house when it arrives, and all the things we need to put up. The furnace door, the ceiling fan, the glass door for the shower, and this is the second bedroom. It's got the 2 windows on the front. Gives you a lot of light. This is a great room. Great study. Perfect room. It's a good bonus room. Here's all your room. A lot of space in here. Oh my gosh, it's so bright and cheerful. This is gonna go fast. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. I forget what price we have this set at. I'll put it in the, I guess the title of this video, and that way you'll know, because I forget. So stay tuned. You can email me at info@dolanhomes.com if you want information. Because of YouTube, we've got too many people calling and contacting us, so I have to kind of make everybody come in through the emails. That's the fastest way I can get myself organized, who I spoke to. All right, email us and I'll email you the process, who we are, what we're building, and we look forward to hearing from you.